Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I am your aptitude trainer. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to find out the even and odd factors. Okay. In the previous video, we had seen how to find out the total number of factors. But in this video, we will learn how to find out the total number of even and odd factors. Okay. So let's take a number that is 18,000. Number is 18,000. Okay. So first step is we need to change the number into its prime factor format. So for 18,000, the prime factor format would be again, this is 18 into 1,000, right? 18 is what? 18 is 9 into 2 and 1,000. We already know that is 125 into 8. Okay. So 9 is what? 9 is 3 square. This is 2 power 1. This is 125 is 5 cube and 8 is what? 8 is 2 cube. Okay. Now take this 2 power 1 and this 2 cube together. You will be getting how much? You will be getting what? 2 power 4 into this is 3 power 2 and 5 power 3. Okay. So 2 power 4, 3 square and 5 cube. Right. Now see, when you found how to, when you had seen like how to find out the total number of factors, in that case, you saw that you take the power of 2, that is 4 in the first bracket, like 4 plus 1. In the second bracket, you take the power of 3, which is 2 plus 1. And in the third bracket, you take the power of 5, that is 3 plus 1. This is how we used to calculate the total number of factors. But this case is quite different. Here, what you have to do is, so let's find out the total number of odd factors. Okay, total number of odd factors. So for that, what you need to keep in mind is you forget this 2 power 4. Just assume for time being, just assume that this 2 power 4 is not there in this format. Only 3 square and 5 cube, these two values are there in this format. Okay. Now see, 3 square. Now assume that this is the prime factor format which is left for you. Okay. So 3 square and 5 cube. So 3 power is what? 2. So take 2 plus 1. 5 power is what? 3. So take 3 plus 1. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 into 4, that is 12. So 12 is your total number of odd factors. Okay. Suppose if you find out total number of factors. So total factors, including all odd and all even factors. So total factors would be 4 plus 1, that is 5 into 3 into 4. That is 60. So out of total 60 factors, 12 factors are odd in nature. I hope you're getting this point. Out of total 60 factors, 12 factors are odd in nature. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the total number of even factors, total number of even factors, so that will be how much? You take this 60, that is total number of factors. Okay. Minus 12 factors. Okay. So total number of factors are 60 minus the odd number of factors. Okay. So from total, if you subtract the odd, you will get the even number of factors, that is 48. Right. So this is how we can calculate the even number of factors and odd number of factors. Right. So here we can conclude one point that out of 60 factors, 12 are odd in nature and 48 are even in nature. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now, there is one more point you have to keep in mind, and that is, let's say in the exam, they ask you to find out the even number of factors directly. Okay. So to count the total number of even factors, you will not find out the total factors first, then the odd number of factors, and then finding out the even factors. Okay. This is not the suitable way, right? Because there are 3 steps you are wasting. So can you find out the even number of factors directly? The answer is yes. How? So take this 2 power 4. I mean, the prime factor format for 18,000 is what? That is 2 power 4 into 3 square and 5 cube into 3 square into 5 cube. Okay. Suppose in the exam, they ask you find out the total number of even factors for 18,000. So first step is the same. You change 18,000 into its prime factor format, which is 2 power 4, 3 square and 5 cube. Okay. Now, what is the next step? You take the power of 2 is what? 4. So you take 4 as it is. Do not add 1. What we are doing here, we are finding out the total even factors. Okay. So 2 power you take as it is. Now next 3. 3 power is what? 2. So for 2, you take bracket and 2 plus 1. For the rest of the prime numbers, you do usually as you used to do. Okay. Similarly, for the next prime number, the power is what? 3. So take 3 plus 1. Okay. So you will be getting what? 4 into 3 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into 4, that is 48. So you got the same answer. Okay. You got the same answer, 48. So this is how we can find out the even number of factors directly. Now, one point that is to be noted here, and that is you can ask, how come, like, why am I taking this 4 only? Why not 4 plus 1? Because see, when we were taking, like, when we were finding out the total number of factors, so in that case, we were taking 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, like this. Right? For the next prime number, that is 3, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. For next prime number, that is 5, 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3. So what we were doing, we were taking 2 power 0 also, in case when we were finding out the total number of factors. But for even factors, we will not take 2 power 0. Why? Because 2 power 0 is 1 and 1 is an odd number. Okay. So we want to get all the even factors. So for that, we are excluding 2 power 0 and we are taking only these 4: 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Okay. So that is why we have taken here 4. Right? So this is the way in which we can find out the total number of even factors and odd factors. I will take one more example for more clarity. Let's say I have 21,000. Okay. But 21,000 means what? 21 into 1,000. 21 is what? 3 into 7. 1,000 means what? 1,000 is your 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay, we have found this already. Now, the prime factor format for this is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 cube into 7 power 1. This is the prime factor format for 21,000. Okay. Now, total number of factors will be how many? This power is what? 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. This power is what? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. This power is what? 3 plus 1, 4 into this power is what? 1 plus 1, 2. So 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. So total number of factors you have 64. Okay. Now, if I ask you even number of factors, so for that you will have to exclude this. So for that you will have to take only the power of 3, power of 5 and power of 7. So power of 3 is what? 1. So 1 plus 1 you take into power of 5 is what? 3. So 3 plus 1 you take into power of 7 is what? 1. So you take 1 plus 1 again. So this is your 2 into 4 into 2. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16. So sorry, this is odd number of factors. I'm so sorry. This is odd number of factors. My pardon. This is odd number of factors. For odd number of factors, we exclude 2 cube. Okay. Now, if we want to find out the even number of factors, so they will be how many? Total 64 minus 16. 64 minus 16, you will get how many? You will get 48. But there is one more way. I told you the direct way. So if you want to calculate an even number of factors, that will be, you take that power of 2 as it is. Do not add 1. So power of 2 is what? 3. So take 3 as it is into next 1 plus 1, 2 into 5 power is what? 3. So take 3 plus 1, that is 4. 7 power 1 is what? 1. So take 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 3 2s are 6, 6 for the 24, 24 into 2, 48. So from here also you got the same answer, right? I hope this is clear. If you have any kind of doubt or any confusion, you can put your doubt in the comment section. Okay. And I'm giving you one question for you to solve. The question is, find out the even number of factors and odd number of factors for 45,000. For this, find out the even number of factors and odd number of factors. Okay. And after finding out, put your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. And in the next video, we will talk about how to find out the sum of the even and odd factors. Although that is not very important, but we'll discuss it once. Okay. How to find out the sum of even and odd factors. Okay. Thank you so much.